Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by FII.com. In the past, you may remember I mentioned many times, and usually big gap ups will be sold into, big gap downs will be bought into. Of course, unless if there is a corresponding news flow, that's a different story. And don't tell me, sir, when coronavirus came, we gapped down but continued to fall. But you see, today morning, it was a normal day. So, markets make very big moves only after opening flat. And today, the market opened absolutely flat. Nifty 15-20 point plus, Bank Nifty 70-80 point minus. And what happened after that? A fantastic breakout rally. Even yesterday, I told you, yesterday, most part of the day we were trading above 17,400, but still 17,400 call option has the highest open interest. So I said, if markets move higher, these people will have to run for cover. And that is what exactly happened. There was no specific news, and the news which were there already only, just like some relief for telecom, that was already known. Yesterday itself, Vodafone, Bharti all went up. Then there was some production linked incentive for auto, that was also known earlier. In fact, I can say it is a negative, because these incentives were thrown only for the electric vehicles like that. Even the CNG vehicles were left out. And today, the major contribution has come from IT sector, and particularly Infosys. TCS, of course, at the end of the day, came down a bit by profit booking, but it touched almost 3,900. So when it was trading around 3,800, I was bearish. I sold 4,000 call option. It looks like it may be even testing the 4,000 by the end of this expiry. So telecom, auto, IT, all these did very well. But what was very surprising, since morning, both HDFC Bank and Reliance did not do well. And see, these are the two top index heavyweights, and they are not doing well. But despite that, markets are shooting up like this. So clearly, the market has broken out. In fact, for the past many months, how the trading is happening, Nifty was trading between 15,000 and 15,500 very violently. Once broken out, then 15,500 to 16,000, then once broken out, 16 to 16,500, like that. And today, in fact, for the last few days, it was trading between 17,000 to 17,500, of course, with a huge volatility. And now, markets clearly has broken out. And maybe 1 or 2 days, there may be some profit booking. It may come down slightly also. But now we can say the trading range has been shifted to 17,500 to 18,000. But anyway, so we have to get confirmation, because we are very close to 17,500 only. So if this bullish momentum continues, and then 17,000 to 18,000, and in fact, I did not expect this breakout. So I expected this breakout sometime next month, because the corporate results will be coming in. So the way markets are breaking out now, it looks like my earlier prediction, 18,000 by December. So it may be within the striking distance, we can say. So today, what is even more surprising, At the end of the day, the FIIs have bought only for 233 crores and the DIIs have bought for only 168 crore. Put together, it's roughly only about less than 500 crore. But yesterday, FIIs bought for 1400 crore. Even factoring in the DII selling, still net buying by institutional figure was more than 1000 crore, both yesterday and day before yesterday. But today, it is less than 500 crore, but still market short up. So, and I always tell, Wednesday trades are usually highly volatile, but today there was no volatility at all. In the morning, Bank Nifty gapped down a little bit, and after that, it is just one-way rally, a fantastic rally. So, you may remember, I also used to tell, just after certain key events, markets likely to make a bigger moves, either upside or downside. Just after parliament election, or just after budget, or just after Fed meeting. And see, yesterday, because of this US inflation data, I was worried. In fact, I closed all my put options. But luckily, today the market opened flat. So I reinitiated those put options. I sold put options in the morning itself. So that way I'm lucky to some extent. But you see, the market has made a significant move after this event. So now the big question. Most of the economic data is over already. And whatever the telecom package or PLI scheme for autos, textiles, everything has been factored in. So where the market will be headed. So surely the markets are looking really very bullish. But today, even most of the Asian markets were down. Even in the afternoon, the European markets were down, of course, slightly. But despite that, we have moved in a fantastic way, which nobody expected. And today or yesterday only, I told you that for the last few weeks, all the energy related stocks are doing very well. And today, out of the top 5 gainers, 3 are from energy sector. So now the stocks like ONGC, these are the GAIL was up, I think, at 10% yesterday. And today NTPC up 7.5%. So these stocks are going higher. So I'm very, very bullish, not for this month, even for the next 2 to 3 years. Why I'm bullish? What are the reasons? And I'll come out with a separate video. Maybe soon, in 1 week time, I'll come out with a video. So for the time being, so I can tell you, so we are bullish. So it is time to sell more put options. In fact, for the last 1 month, every day morning I give some idea. Most of the time I give idea to sell put option only. Very, very few rare cases like TCS, I suggested selling call options. So just imagine HDFC Bank and Reliance, and all 3 are doing so badly, but still markets are like this. So if they start moving, what will happen? So looking at the open interest, so 17,500 put option added huge open interest, and there's no need to tell that. So tomorrow, if everything goes well, the Nifty will expire above 17,500. And of course, we have to see how the US markets open now, tomorrow for Asian close and other things. So anyway, that we will discuss tomorrow. And today, it is a clear breakout day. So don't short this market. And I don't know how many of you can remember when Nifty was around 16,000, somebody sent me a message. Sir, I feel that this is, like all what people know, historically higher PE ratio, what Warren Buffett says, market cap to GDP, And then, so in every respect, in every parameter, we are higher than the historical average. And he was telling, the markets may correct 10% from here. Sir, what is your opinion? And I replied by saying that the same argument I heard when Nifty was at 10,000. Same argument I heard when Nifty was at 11,000. Now the same argument I am listening when the Nifty is at 16,000. The same argument I will be listening when the market is at 17,000 or 18,000. So the markets are really, really very bullish, and I can tell you just to create some interest, and I'm going to explain to you in one of the videos in the coming days why Nifty can touch 25,000. Forget about 18,000, 19,000, 20,000. I'm going to give you the reasons why Nifty will be touching 25,000. Just wait for that video. But as usual, I am not a fortune teller. I don't say no, Nifty will go to 20,000, 15,000, this and that. I will come out with strong reasons why and how these things will be happening. I have never gave a fortune teller stories like, Nifty will go to 20,000, then you will come to 18,000 like that. Okay. So maybe in another 1 week to 10 days, I'll come out with this video. So until then, enjoy your all-time high party. We'll see you tomorrow morning. Thank you for watching.